I had no clue what I was getting into when I started looking into the mating rituals of the human species. And all I got left to say is, there's a lot to learn about how and why you choose your mate. And if you haven't chosen one yet, this video should help. Unless you've gone so far that the only mate you'll ever have is a blow-up doll with artificial intelligence, then nah, I ain't gonna be talking about love at first sight. Now fuck me, but know this is no easy, simple stuff to understand. Because human behavior is just complicated. We humans, well, we were a promiscuous bunch. Of course, the term for casual sex is short-term mating. When it comes to showing interest in another without speaking a word to the person, well, there's the eyebrow flash. And it doesn't matter if you're a Native American, Amish, or European. Because, yeah, your family history plays a part.